So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the new Smallrig Ronin handle.
Got you, I'm catching on. I'm catching on.
So the reason why I bought the Smallrig Ronin handle is because it was actually cheaper than the Ronin one. I think it was like 200 bucks cheaper. I think the Ronin one's going for like 300 bucks or 250, and right now the Smallrig one I got for $120. They were actually doing an advertisement on Facebook. The first 100 people to buy one, you get it for 120 bucks. I believe that was the advertisement. I'm not too sure. So I actually bought it the other day. I used it a couple times. It took like 3 to 4 days for it to come in. Came all the way from China, and yeah. So let's just go over it. This is what it looks like. So what I did is I used the Ronin handles and I put them on the bottom so I can place it down. And then, so another good thing about Smallrig is that they have like a lot of good attachments. Let me get in focus here. So Smallrig has a lot of good attachments to the products. If you look at this one right here, you can actually place like microphone or a monitor, which is what I have right here. So my monitor goes on that part right there, and then I also have the Smallrig handle attachment on here as well. And then so it basically comes in 4 pieces. So this is one piece, this is another piece, then this is a separate piece. And then yeah, so it's a lot more convenient to use. You can just place it down whenever you want. And so what I did was I took the Ronin handles off. I took the Ronin handles off my actual Ronin handle, and I placed them on the bottom, so I use these as feet instead of buying new ones for 100 bucks. The good thing is that I have my handle on the top here, so I can mount a microphone, or if you don't want to add your monitor right here, you could mount it on the top here. So yeah, so this is a lot more convenient than going with just with the regular Ronin, the way it comes with the handle, because then you have to walk around and carry that the stand with you, and doing weddings and all these little small videos or corporate videos, real time consuming with having the stand. So this is a lot more convenient and faster. You can just place it down and you're on the go, and then boom, so you're ready to shoot. So I give Smallrig a thumbs up, and if I were you, I would get the Ronin or the Smallrig. Smallrig has a promotion right now still for the 125 bucks, I think. Either way, you're still gonna have a lot better, you're not gonna have better results, but just your shooting and your time behind everything is gonna be a lot quicker and a lot more smoother. You don't have to carry that stand everywhere where you go. So that's it. Stay tuned for another video, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. See you later.